Hi, my name is Michael Romero. I'm a technician here at Los Plains Toyota in the main shop. These are my paintings. I've been working on them. This group of paintings probably about a year and a half now. I started painting back when I was a child. My dad did tattoos when I was a kid. I would sit there and try to copy the work that he did. It was hit or miss a lot of times, but that's what I did. My mom was a big support for me, man. She was always buying me art supplies. My mom, for sure. My mom and my sister and my grandmother were like really big inspirations. My father, of course. I talked to our service director first. I showed them a lot of my paintings. They were curious. They wanted to know what my hobbies were and everything. I told them I paint on the side. Showed them, and they ended up wanting to hang my paintings up. Just want to get my name out there and just put paintings out there. I've been doing live streams for a little over a year also, and I mean, it's fun. I enjoy talking to folks when they do talk to me on the live videos, and a lot of people like to see the process and how I do it. So I try to do it every night when I get off of work, because I work all day, get off work, go home, take a shower, eat, and then I start painting.